It's the Brooker That Gratitude Guy. All right, today, daily mindset. You ever thought about why certain days, excuse me, in your life you feel so good, and other days you don't feel very good? What determines your mood? I've said for years, I've never quite understood why it's so good one day and so not so good another day. What determines that? People said, well, it depends on how much you've slept. It depends on, I remember once hearing about biorhythms. I remember hearing about, well, of course, it's the food, you drink enough water, what's going on in your life, and so on. And you try to look back and try to correlate, excuse me, try to correlate it so you can maybe keep those better days outnumbering the bad days. I used to say on those days that I was in such a good mood, how come I can't bottle that and put it in a jar and put a lid on it and take a sip of it later on when I'm having a tough day? Well, I don't know if I'm ever really going to get that answer. Maybe one of those things I'll never really find out. But I will say this, one of the best ways to counteract those down days, those negative days, is gratitude, and specifically a gratitude journal. Most days I wake up in a pretty fired up mood. I'm pretty excited to spread the word about gratitude. Gratitude journal, appreciation, thankfulness, all these things that can reframe and refocus your outlook on life. But on those days when I have a little bit of a strange mindset and it's not quite right, I get to that gratitude journal even earlier than I might normally. The minute you start writing, I'm so grateful for this, I'm so grateful for that, it definitely does reframe and refocus your brain. So think about that on those days when you're a little unsure about that mindset of yours and why is it not doing that well. Sometimes you can identify it. How I'm upset about this or that, you make a call or you do something, you resolve it, and it gets you back on track. But on those days that you can't, just always remember that that gratitude journal will be a big, big advocate for you getting back on the right track because it puts that brain in the right frame of mind. If you've got that journal, great. If not, you can get one at thebrooker.com. Be writing in every single day. It's incredible the momentum that it develops every single day. They say it takes 28 to 30 days to develop a habit. You do that for 3 or 4 weeks, you'll be doing it every day the rest of your life. That's it for today. Have a grateful day. We'll see you tomorrow.